Hello friends, this is Umesh Arora from CAD/CAM Solution Merit, and today we are going to create this tailstock body, and this is a tailstock for milling machine. And here we have two view. One is the sectional side view and one is the front view. So I'm going to start from the this front view, or you can say this side view, this one front view, no issue. So if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel, and we will start this from annex. So let's open it. So I'm selecting this sketch, and YZ is my working plane, and let's start with this rectangle. So draw a rectangle. Now I am consider this midpoint and the origin. Now specify the dimension. The dimension length is 150 and the width is 25 here. Now this upper portion where we have two circle, so draw circle of diameter 60. 30 is the radius, see 30 is the radius, and inside circle is 30 diameter, so change it to 30 and click over it. Now I am aligning this center with the vertical axis, and the distance is 125 from upper edge, so change it to 125. Close. Here we have to create this portion as well, so select this point and here, and same from here. This is, I think, dragging here and there, so drag it. Now the dimension is not visible, so it is properly placed. And here we have this one more thing, so select and click here, and the radius is 15, so diameter will be 30 and align with vertical, and the distance between two is 35. Distance between these two circle is 35, so change it to 35 and close, and draw one line from quadrant to here. Now trim it, so trim this, oops, I do not this. See, so this is my first sketch. Okay, let's finish it. My sketch is fully constrained and properly defined. So first of all, extrude, and here we have region boundary, so I'm selecting this, and this total length is 150, so click and apply. Again, this portion and this portion both, I'm selecting the both, and the thickness is 18, so change it to 18 and unite, apply. And here for this shape, okay, reverse the direction, and this thickness is 100, so change it to 100 and unite and okay. See, okay, so this portion is created, this is also created, and now we have to create this so that we can cut it. Okay, so we have to create this rib. See, this rib we have to create. So here select the same face, so I am changing this mode and sketch, select this, and my orientation must be here. Click. Now here we have project curve, and select this single curve, so I want to project this. Okay, and I want offset of this, so select offset, and the offset distance is 18, so 18 and click and okay. Now make it close, and here also just click, and here we have the make corner, so I want to make a corner for this. Only this dimension is remaining. Input whatever you want, so 22, enter and close. My sketch is fully defined, so finish it and change the shading mode, and I have to extrude this, so change it to connected curve and my connected curve is this, and the dimension of this is 150, so change it to 150. Okay, and unite and click OK. So this is the shape. Okay, but it is not. Select, double click, and why it is not properly, just go to here, and here we have this y, just right click and delete it, and here we have this, delete this. Why it is like this? Extrude it, show. So we have this. So again I want to extrude it, so extrude and change it to region boundary. My region is this, and reverse direction and apply. Now faces merge, select this, reverse the direction and apply. Okay, now it is okay. And here we have this one cut, and for this cut we have to select this plane, my reference, orient the view, and okay. Here we have to draw an arc which is like this, and the radius of this arc is 125. See, 125. So change it to 125. Okay, and from the profile, close this. Now specify the dimension. It is not properly touch, so make them constant. Okay, so this is my sketch finish, and select this extrude, and I want to cut this and reverse direction, and here keep 0, and don't select this, select the subtract and preview. Okay, hide this sketch, hide this back, and again hide this. Now we have to define some fillet. So from this view, fillet, because fillet is not specified anywhere, so I am selecting as 5, apply, and here and here, here and here, apply, close. So all fillets I have applied here. Now this portion we have to create. So here in select from the sketch and draw one and one more, two circle. First position it so it is middle of this, so click this and this, make them constant, and from here to this point is half of 150 is 75. Now dimension this circle, 40 is the outer and inner circle is 30, close, finish, and extrude this outer circle. It is 6 mm, 6, and here 25 plus 10 is 35, so change it to minus 35. Okay, and unite, apply, and change the mode to wireframe. And here we have this inner circle I want to subtract, and click on this is hide this and see. Here we have to define the fillet, which is not specified here, so I'm selecting the same 5 here, apply, close. I think this is 6, so change it to 6 and close. Okay, it is 40 at the top and here it is 30, so no problem. Here we have resize face and select this is 30, apply. This inside is 18, so undo, and first select resize face, select, and this is 18 and the outer is 30, right. Now you can see it is perfect. Now two holes are there, so this is M15 hole. So in hole, my point is this, and change here to thread hole, or we have this screw clearance hole M15. M15 is not available here. M15 is not available, it is 16, so I'm selecting this 16, and the depth is, this depth is, so this is thread depth. Okay, so here in thread hole we have the thread depth, change it to 16 and 100 minus 36, and the total depth which is not given here, so I am taking as 72, and okay. Okay, and one more hole is there, this M12. So for this I have to create one datum plane, select this, and the distance is 32, so enter 32 and drag this hole, okay, so that it will be visible properly. Okay, and now I'm selecting this, click, and orient the view, okay, and here draw a circle, and this circle is, see here one circle is there, and this is M12, so this circle this is like a counter hole, so I'm selecting this as 22, so 24. Okay, now position this, the position of this is 36, from here double click 36, and from bottom, or from this point to this, click 15 and close. Now finish, and in wireframe extrude the circle only outside, and subtract, apply, and show. Okay, here we have specified this M12, select, and here we have this screw M12, and which is here, and the value of depth is 65 and more than this. Okay, it is throughout hole basically, and click. So hope you understand this properly. Click. This is my hole. This, and now I want to check the section view. So click add the section, and from here you can match. Okay, this is my view. It is matching properly, no problem. And I want to switch this plane to this, and see, this is the cross section. You can match this from here. So okay, you can see some, this is not like this. Okay, it is circular from, it is not a circular, it is a rib like section. Okay, so we have to change it. So here is select this sketch, and middle plane is this, and click, or reverse the direction. Okay, and draw a rectangle from here to here, and the depth is 10, and this one is 150. Okay, and close, finish, and extrude this. And take it symmetric, and from here it is 30, so half of 30 is 15, and unite. Okay, hide this sketch, and here we will reorder it, the whole this cut. Okay, so resize face and whole this, and resize, select both, or first drag and drop. After this, okay, double click it. Okay, no problem, just delete. And this hole, I'm going to draw one hole, simple hole at the center, and 18 is a dia, and through body preview. Okay, see, now match this view, add it from this. No, this is not the right plane, my right plane is this. Close. Now this is matched properly. Hope you understand this properly. So see you in next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please keep subscribe our channel.